Hello, lovely people. Welcome to Owusu's Kitchen. Sharing with you today is my special prawn fried rice. A warm welcome to you if you are new here. Please kindly subscribe. Thank you. Now on to the cooking. I have my chicken thighs here. For seasoning, I will be blending together onions, rosemary and thyme, garlic, homemade ginger cube, and one seasoning cube. Not stick together. The combination of the onions, green peppers, prawns and butter have created this beautiful aroma, and you can actually have the rice on its own. I have left the rice to cool down, but for now I'll be seasoning my prawns with black pepper, garlic powder and some salt and set it aside to marinate. I'm adding my chopped carrots and give it a stir. Red peppers follows. And then I'll add some chilies and ginger paste. Ginger paste is so great with fried rice. So by all means add some to yours. I'm frying on medium heat and will not be cooking the vegetables any longer because it can become soft real quick. Now I have added my fragrance rice, which I'm going to stir very well and fry together with the rice, making sure the vegetables and the rice are infused into each other. After I've given it a good stir, I'm going to season it with adobo. You may use Maggi cube or salt if you wish. It's been frying for some time now on a medium heat, so it's a good time to add my soya sauce together with some sesame oil. If you can get hold of sesame oil, by all means add a teaspoonful. A little bit goes a long way, and it just adds another layer of flavor to fried rice. But if you don't, it still tastes just as great. Now is the time to add my fried chicken, and I'm making sure it is stirred well into the rice. Now I will add the prawns together with all its juices to where it belongs. And again, I will stir and fry. Just to make sure the chicken, the rice, the vegetables and the prawns are well mixed into the rice. The eggs goes in and then the spring onions. And I'm just giving it a final stir. I am not going to cook this for any longer because I want some crunch left. And then I'm going to have a taste, just to make sure the salt content is right. It is ready, lovelies. The aroma in my kitchen is just incredible and it tastes so good. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Until I see you in my next video, stay blessed and please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!